Alright folks, it's Mr. Mechanic here, and in this selection of videos I'm showing you, the public out there, how you can save money by maintaining your own vehicle without taking it to a garage, whereby they will charge you an extortionate amount. Now then, this thing here, okay, let's say all of a sudden you're driving along, and all of a sudden you go, and he goes, and you're like, nothing happens. You've checked, and you've got that watery stuff in it that makes it go. You look in there where the big black thing is, and you've got the liquidy stuff and the gooey, horrible, smelly stuff that's all over the engine. Everything seems to be working fine, but there's nothing happening, there's no noise. So, normally, you try and do that with it. Or the other thing is that you'd try and get someone to find another one of those, and you tie a rope to it and get them to pull you along. Well, that's actually illegal. Now, using this method, you don't have to do that. What you need is one of these things, a skipping rope. Now then, what you need to do first of all, you need to attach the skipping rope to one of these things, which is known as the flippy flappies. Now then, the idea behind this is you attach the rope to the flippy flappy like so, causing a bit of spring, which is what you need. Then at this point, if you're on a hill like that, make sure that the brake is off and that you are holding on to this ready to pedal. Then you need your bicycle. You must place the other part of the skipping rope underneath the seat, or on top of the seat and underneath your this thing here with two lumpy bits, and pedal like so. There you go. And of course the tension here basically will guarantee you movement. But also, you see, you're probably thinking now, how on earth can everyone in the world carry a bicycle-y thing around with them? Because let's be honest, a lot of these things aren't that sort of size, they're not that colour, and they're not that big. Some are really small, about that big, the size of a giraffe. So what do? What you need to do is have a slight hole here where you look through and place the bicycle like so. There you go folks. Once again, this is Mr. Mechanic showing you, the public out there, how you can save money by maintaining your own vehicle without taking it to a garage, whereby they will charge you an extortionate amount because you might as well do it yourself. Thank you for watching.